Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gas can spout is probably one of the most important yet overlooked parts of your gas can. A faulty spout can lead to frustrating spills, wasted fuel, and even safety hazards. In this video, we will review several top-rated gas can spout replacements, focusing on their design, ease of use, leak-proof capabilities, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect no-spill solution for your needs. Number 5. Gas Can Spout Replacement Kit. This kit makes refueling easier than ever. Its extended length and improved design offer greater convenience and flexibility. It's made from high-quality HDPE, ensuring strength and preventing breakage. The one-piece molded hoses are tough and reliable. The threaded spout and rubber gasket create a secure seal, preventing leaks during use and transport. This kit fits most 1, 2, 5, 10-gallon oil cans. We even include two types of vent caps for different can styles. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Contact us if you need assistance. This comprehensive kit includes spouts, caps, gaskets, and even a drill bit for easy installation. It's designed for a secure and leak-proof fit. What we like. It boasts an extra-long spout for easy pouring and is made from durable, high-quality materials. The anti-overflow design prevents spills during transport. If you need a reliable and leak-proof solution for various oil cans, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works as intended and makes pouring gas into my tractor and generators easy. Fits any size gas can because it comes with fine and coarse threaded fittings. Plastic is thicker than others I've seen in my local store. It works great, gas flows much more quickly. It's not spilling out like an uncontrollable flood, but is a very steady flow. Holding a gas can with several gallons of fluid is not really heavy, but to me it's a bulky can that needs to be held at an awkward angle. Now it is still bulky, but I come off with no fatigue or annoyance since it's so fast. So far, they are working well and the seals have not leaked. It is a nice touch that they include the correct size drill bit for installing the vent port. The vent port opens and closes nicely. The snouts fit past the narrow unleaded gas opening on American cars. Number 4. CM Concepts Gas Can Spout Kit. It features a unique long-angled design for easy and spill-free pouring. This makes filling lawnmowers, vehicles, and other gas-powered equipment a breeze. It includes a filter screen to keep debris and dirt out of your fuel tank and vapors out of the can. A push-in vent allows for faster and safer emptying. It's designed for US gas cans and includes two different base caps for broad compatibility. It fits many popular brands, but check compatibility before purchasing. Simply replace your old spout with this new one. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Each kit contains a flexible spout, spout cap, O-ring gasket and filter screen, two base caps, and a push-in vent cap. You get two complete kits. It comes with a 1-year warranty against defects. US-based support is also available if you need assistance. What we like. Its unique angled design makes pouring effortless and spill-free. The included filter screen keeps debris out of your fuel tank. A convenient push-in vent ensures faster and safer emptying. If you prioritize ease of use and fuel purity, this is the one for you. What people say. What a great replacement to those horrible safety spouts. The only way to buy a new can is with those poorly made and absolutely annoying valves that do not work for anyone with disabilities or problems with hands. ESP if you get to the 5-gallon cans. Only use nozzle, which is a bit long and not flexible. Does not leak and is better than original. These nozzles work perfectly to replace the badly designed nozzles. They came with two different threaded lids to attach the nozzle to the cans that I bought elsewhere. US-made design cans by the way, but with totally unworkable nozzles. Good quality product. Not cheap garbage. And 2 for 1 price. Number 3. Rover Aide Gas Can Spout Kit. Say goodbye to messy gas spills. This kit makes refueling easier and safer than ever before. It includes 3 flexible spouts, base caps, vent caps, rubber gaskets, and more. You'll have all the parts you need for a complete replacement. It's made with high-quality materials for superior flow and long-lasting performance. The flexible design makes it easy to use in any situation. This kit fits almost any gas can thanks to the included different-sized base caps. It's designed to work with a wide variety of containers. No more spills or wasted fuel. Its flexible design lets you pour from various angles, making refueling a breeze. The spouts can be connected to reach over 25 inches. This allows you to fill tanks from a safe distance. What we like. This kit offers 3 complete sets of spouts, caps, and vents, providing excellent value. The high-flow spouts ensure quick and efficient fueling. Its compatibility with most oil cans makes it a versatile option. If you need a comprehensive and adaptable solution, this is the ideal choice. What people say. These are nice, the spare screw collars make it fit most plastic cans so I can pour these without 3 hands. These make 5-gallon gas cans so much better to use. The new gas cans with their safe and easy-to-use nozzle are dangerous, leak, and very hard to use. I purchased this and it turned my piece of crap new can into a very nice, easy-to-use, safe can. And, I love the extendable nozzle, I can now fill my car with this can, the new one would not work on my car. Number 2. Super Spouts Blitz Replacement Kit. This kit gives you everything you need to replace your old, worn-out Blitz Gas Can Spouts. It includes 3 new nozzles, 3 vent caps, and 3 no-spill caps. These easy-pour spouts are designed to replace those clunky, hard-to-use no-spill spouts. It's time for easier, cleaner refueling. They're made from high-quality plastic with extra-thick gaskets and secure locking tips, ensuring a leak-proof seal during handling and transport. These solid nozzles are sturdy enough to rest directly on your fuel filler tube, minimizing spills and making refueling less tiring. Super Spout stands behind the quality of its products. We're a USA-based company, and we offer a no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. What we like. It's a complete replacement kit for Blitz gas cans, offering convenience and ease of use. The easy-pour design minimizes spills, and the leak-proof construction ensures safe handling. If you own Blitz cans and want a simple, reliable upgrade, this is perfect. What people say. Makes it a lot easier. Hate all the things with child-proof features that make it hard to pour you gas without 3 hands. These are just what I was looking for. I had some of the other type of gas spouts that to be compressed in order to use them and it was a hassle. With these you just have to pop the cap off, fill up whatever you need to put gas in and just put the cap back on. Number 1. Blitz Gas Can Spout Kit. This kit gives you everything you need to replace your old gas can spouts. It includes 4 new nozzles, vent caps, and no-spill caps. These easy-pour spouts are designed to replace those clunky, hard-to-use no-spill spouts. It's a simple upgrade for your Blitz gas cans. Made from high-quality plastic with secure locking tips, it ensures a leak-proof seal during handling and transport. These solid nozzles are sturdy enough to rest directly on your fuel filler tube, minimizing spills and making filling easier. We stand behind our products and offer a no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. We're a USA-based company committed to quality. What we like. This kit provides 4 complete sets of replacement parts, offering great value and convenience. The easy-pour design minimizes spills, and the leak-proof construction ensures safe handling. If you need multiple replacements for your Blitz gas cans, this is the best option. What people say. These spouts certainly fit the old Blitz cans. They seal to the can with a tapered connection that lasts many years with no rubber to get hard, brittle, or kink. The spouts and vents put my cans back the way they were before EPA ruined them. Now I can pour fuel without spilling. These new spouts fit well on all 4 of my cans. The threaded ring that holds the spout on is tight and a little finicky to get started on the Blitz cans the first time, but it does fit securely. It does not fit the Midwest can, but I was able to successfully use the threaded ring from the Midwest can with the new spout. It's not a perfect fit but it is sturdy and not leaking. The yellow caps for the spouts are very good. Fit great and work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.